Hi! In front of me is CUBOT R19, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this smartphone. First of all, find Sound Recorder app and tap on it. Then click on this red button to start a recording, but firstly select Allow in the pop-ups. As you can see, recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it using the same left button. If you wish to end your recording and save it, you can pause it and tap on the square one, or just tap on the right square one right away. Now select Save and tap on the same right button, right one, this one, to access list of all your recordings. If you wish to delete one of them, you need to hold the chosen one and click on this bin icon at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!